BBG cars.
What's up, Globetrotters? In this episode, this is a story of a 2017 Mustang that was purchased, then abused, then the person who had the car, I guess, failed to make his payment, and then it was repossessed, then it was, abused some more, and then somebody drove it in a river or something. It flooded the car, and then after that, they parked it, continued to stop making payments. Do not do that, folks. Then the car was hit severely on the passenger side, destroying the car. So, fasten your seatbelts for this one, folks. This one's going to be real interesting, alright? So enjoy the series and enjoy the show, alright? BBG out. I just got back from a place called Bulacan and near Angeles City, and as you can see behind me, there's a red fender, and I got the headlight assembly. I got a couple more parts for the car. I practically bought these things on the side of the road like, like a person buying marijuana or something like that. I'm gonna have to bleep that out of YouTube, but you know what I'm saying, right? So these parts are from the actual car. They are factory parts, so I don't have to worry about fitment problems and issues. Sorry for the shaky video, guys, but I forgot my vlogging equipment because I did not know I was gonna be running into a situation like this. It was kind of sudden this morning, and I had to just jump in the car, and finally I'm done. So I made a new order for more parts for next week, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get those together. I almost got the whole front end purchase for the car, and once I get everything together, I'm gonna start disassembling everything. Right now I gotta get this thing started and cylinders lubed up and everything checked out mechanically, and seeing if the transmission shifts properly and all that other jazz, and should be ready to be for its first test drive after about a year. Okay? Alright, we're out. You see that? It took a 140-pound barbell and all that force just to get that wheel off. Jesus Christ. right since this part here is bent pretty badly. Let me get you a better look at that. It's bent here pretty badly. Can't do nothing about it, but I have to get this thing off, so I'm going to try an old trick of mine. Vice grip onto here because my tool won't fit, and I'm going to use hydraulic pressure to get it out. It's been 25 years since I used this trick. Watch closely right here. Pop. There you go. All right. It does work. I used to have knowledge from a long time ago. Now I can get this out and replace it. Dropped off those bent parts at the machine shop, and it should be ready by the end of the day. It's pretty cool, so I'm happy about that. It's like a rat race. It's a rat race every day of the week. Got people just walking in front of you, objects, dogs, lots of hazards. It's pretty scary sometimes, but you know, you got to deal with it when you're here. This is the home of the Mustang, if y'all don't already know. Well, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Anyways, stick around. This is going to be a multi-part series. It's going to be like a playlist. I don't know how far we're going to go with it, but it's a lot of stuff and a lot of work to do with this car. Exterior, interior, technical stuff, electrical stuff, systems, and of course, paint and body. Right now it looks like the bottom of a toilet, or the bottom of the freaking ocean, if you know what I'm saying. Ocean with no water on the top of the ocean, okay? Oceanless, ocean, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed that, you know, you like the series, if you want to continue watching these awesome videos, they're going to get better as time goes by. They're going to get better as I get better, okay? So, yeah, I don't even know how I have time to do all these videos with all this work I gotta do. I might have to go farm this out. It's getting ridiculous. Alright? So anyway, if you like what you saw, just smash that like, share, subscribe, and then click on that notification bell to make sure you get updated on everything that we do here at BBG. You all have a nice day. BBG out.